Anyone craving a fresh, new makeup look that looks perfectly put together and supernatural will love having a versatile lip and cheek tint in their makeup bag. Many products are available from Lip and Cheek Tints, each with several characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make a knowledgeable decision. I researched comprehensively, read many reviews, and compiled a list of the best lip and cheek tints from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products beneficial for people like you. Check my description if you want to know about the price and other information. So, without further delay, let's jump into the video to watch the best lip and cheek tints. Number 1. ETUDE House Dear Darling Water Tint Cherry Ade. If you love Benetint and want to try a similar formula for less $, try ETUDE House's Dear Darling Water Tint, which offers a similar look but at a fraction of the price. Similarly to the OG, I use the sponge tip brush to apply this water-like formula on my cheeks and lips and then use my fingers to pat the color in. Hot tip, I use the brush to overline my lips, which I find looks like the most natural lip liner ever. One of the famous Korean road shop brands is ETUDE House. It is well known for its great quality at a reasonable price in Korea. Especially, it is very popular with ages from 15th to 25th. Number 2. Wonderskin Wonder Belating Peel and Reveal Lip Stain Kit. Wonderskin Wonder Belating Peel and Reveal Lip Stain surprised us in the best way possible. There's a scientific 3-step application process, and that uniqueness alone makes it stand out from the rest. First, you'll swipe on the mask, which is made with both purified seaweed and Hydra G complex to help keep lips soft and hydrated. Don't be alarmed by the dark purple formula, it's not the final shade. Next, you'll spray on the activator, which is mixed with a sugar complex. This is what will ultimately give you your desired pigment, and the sugary ingredient makes it taste sweet as it works its magic. You'll feel a slight tingling sensation on your lips, but this is proof that the process is working. Number 3. ETUDE Dear Darling Water Gel Tint Ice Cream. Made with hydrating ingredients, including glycerin and fruit extracts, this water-based tint keeps lips healthy, supple and refreshed through every season. Available in 5 universally flattering shades ranging from pale pink to deep red, each hue is designed to brighten your complexion and enhance your features. The packaging is also super cute, reminding us of a summertime ice pop, and extremely compact, making it easy to fit in smaller purses. Although the formula is water-based, the initial application can feel a little sticky. Once it's dry, though, it feels smooth and comfortable. Number 4. Milk Makeup Lip and Cheek Tint. One of our go-to lip and cheek-friendly formulas since forever, Milk Makeup's Lip Plus Cheek Cream Blush Stick has the ideal texture, tint, and longevity, making this product a no-brainer choice for our best overall pick. Milk Makeup is one of those makeup brands whose products not only look cool in your makeup bag, purse, or on your vanity, but perform beautifully, and their Lip Plus Cheek Stick is no exception. With 11 shades to choose from, this multi-use product has a creamy formula that glides on your skin or lips without having to push too hard to get pigment, blends perfectly with your usual blush brush or your fingers, and actually lasts all day. Plus, the tint won't feel sticky on your cheeks or lips all day despite its formula type, a huge bonus if you're dealing with hot commutes. Number 5. ILIA Multi-Stick for Lips Cheeks. If you have a lighter skin tone and are looking to achieve that no makeup look, the sheer, natural-looking finish from ILIA's Multi-Stick, in any of its 12 shades, is one you'll love. The ease of this product is unmatched, thanks to its stick applicator with a wide surface that makes swiping on your lips or cheeks simple, as well as its wash of color payoff that ensures your look won't end up looking like anything resembling a circus clown. This sort of formula also works well for days where applying foundation, bronzer, or anything else from your makeup stash just isn't going to happen. It looks that good on its own, too. The multi-stick is also compact enough to bring on the go with you, in case you need a touch-up or two while out all day or night. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. If you need any more valuable information or if you want to know product's original price, do check out my description. For any kind of problems, please write a comment below. I can help you anytime further. Stay updated with our products as it will make your file much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.